What once was a sanctuary and a home for many residents of Mufulira Central has turned into a significant distress. For over a decade, the residents have been grappling with floods from a nearby stream that overflows into their homes, damaging infrastructure and furniture as well. The community claims to have sent numerous emails to the authorities about the issue, but never received a response. They are now urgently seeking assistance to build a bridge, believing it could help prevent the stream from flooding their homes.
Le ndawo yethu le ibe iphansi le sikwazi ukudlala ibhola la amanzi angafiki la sisaphethwe amabhunu.
Ukhihla esikanandi umphakathi waseMfulo kulandela ukwesela ingqalasizinda eyiBuloho. Lo mphakathi ukhala ngomfudlana ogcwala uphuphume uma ke kuhlasele izimvula nokwenza kube nzima ukuqhubeka nemisebenzi yosuku.
Sinenkinga la eWard 37 amanzi aphuma emfuleni angena ezindlini amoshe. Njengoba ubona ngiphethe ilist yemizi emoshakalelwe. Yonke lemizi lena abantu bakhona abazi ukuthi bayenze njani because of amanzi aphuma la emfuleni aze. Njengoba kunehlathi elinje angazi ukuthi lo mfula lo vele bemncane overload kuthatha konke. Uyabona abantu mababona icloud bayathuka.
Lo mphakathi uthi lamanzi aphuma emfuleni azogcwala ezindlini kanti asemoshe yonke into yasendlini.
On an issue of damages that happened, it was a furniture which I changed entirely so, but most of all 2 cars which were like in a garage, they were damaged.
La eMfulo South sibe nenkinga yamanzi njalo izulu mani letha lana kucwala amanzi lana siyasokola. Umakhelwane wami waze washona la ubabi Lukhele wala i46 wahamba yonke indawo leka government ehamba engene ema officeini uncedo azange size senze silithole kuze kube manje.
Ithimba ke lezindaba siteshi somphakathi Soweto TV iphinde ke yabona ubufakazi bemizamo yalomphakathi yokuxhumana neziphathimandla ngaphandle kwempumelelo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.